प्रीवियस में क्वेश्चन आंसर सुनाना है।
Why are leaves called to food factory of plants?
Therefore, the leaves of food factory and the kitchen of green plant.
Name the part of a plant in which food is stored.
The extra food is changed into the starch and is stored into stem, root, leaf, stem, and fruit of the plant.
Why are most the leaves of plant green in color?
Leaves of most plants are green due to the presence of substance called chlorophyll.
How do non-green plants like mushroom and mole get their food?
They get their foods from dead and decaying plants and animal.
Fill in the blanks. The green color of a plant's leaf is due to the presence of
Chlorophyll.
or below up. The extra food prepared by plant is stored as
Starch.
petiole is present in some
Chlorophyll.
stalk. During photosynthesis, dash is stored.
Oxygen.
Write T for true and F for false. The process of food making in plant is called photosynthesis.
True.
Animal give out carbon dioxide which is absorbed by plant during the day.
True.
Mushroom prepare food by photosynthesis.
True.
Green plant may prepare their food in the leaves without the process of sunlight.
False.
Cotton and cactus are non-green plant.
False.
Give one word answer for the following. The food made by plants.
Photosynthesis.
Plant need heat gas from the air to make food.
Non-green plant.
Parts of the plant where food is made.
Chlorophyll. Photosynthesis.
The green colored pigment found in leaves.
Chlorophyll.